Well, folks, since the first time didn't try, take two at waking up a drunk guy over at work, Port Newark. Car alarm buzz, number 2. As I walk over to the culprit right now. Wait till I get over there.
Assistant. I'm the assistant.
There he is, the little slut. Wait till I get over there. Hold on. Look at him sleeping in his car, snoozing. So good. Now he gets woken up. Nothing. Nothing, folks. He's dead to the world. Dead to the world. Not a thing. He's still sleeping through all this fucking noise. See? What's your take on that, driver?
He's out.